Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how sugar is made, from sugarcane to the final product.
The sugar here is crucial. It attracts and holds moisture, resulting in this incredibly soft and tender crumb.
The sugarcane is first crushed to extract the juice, which is then purified and crystallized.
Is that raw sugar right there?
Yeah.
Stevia shows a significantly lower caloric impact compared to sucrose, even at higher concentrations.
If we improve the conditions for the workers, everyone benefits. It gives us hope that our hard work is truly valued.
That will be 20 baht, please. Here you go.
Thank you.
So the strawberries look amazing.
The upgrades are working. We're hitting peak efficiency.
Confirmed. The sustainability metrics look excellent.
If we optimize this approval step, we save significant time.
And the bottleneck here.
That's covered if the data input is standardized.
And that's how sugar is made. Stir-wanted, from start to finish. And that's how sugar is made, from cane to your kitchen. And that's how sugar is made, from fields to your home. And that's how sugar is made, Chakad, from fields to your home and into the foods we love.
Watch your clearance on the right side. Got it, bringing it in now.
We need the powdered sugar for the cookies.
I got it, Mom. Can we get this kind too?
This cake is absolutely delicious.
It's perfect, honey.
Mommy, this is the best birthday ever.
Yeah.
That's enough sugar, Mijo. Now stir it slowly. Like this. You have flour on your nose.
This flowchart highlights the key areas where efficiency can be improved. Let's look at the third stage.
The texture on this batch is quite rough.
Try this one, it seems much cleaner inside.
Watch the pressure on vat 2.
I see it. Keep the conveyor clear.
The pressure readings on line 4 are slightly elevated.
Is the steam valve fully open?
Checking now. It seems optimized.
The water consumption is staggering.
And this brochure explains the carbon footprint of the factories too. These dates are fantastic for baking.
And the glycemic index is lower, correct?
Exactly, much slower release.
I can't believe this is sugar-free.
I know, right? It looks amazing. And the best part is, it's guilt-free.
We are committed to these new fair trade practices.
Thank you. This means a great deal to our community.
We look forward to this partnership.
Look at that smile. You really love your sugar, don't you?
She gets it from you.
It's so yummy. Look at that smile. You really love your sugar, don't you?
She gets it from you.
It's so yummy.
It's amazing how much joy a little sugar adds to our biggest moments.
To the sweetest traditions, then.
I'll definitely drink to that.
From the fields to the refinery, and finally to our tables, the journey of sugar is a global one.
This batch is perfect. Send it to the belt.
Copy that. Lowering the load. See your picture up there. Well deserved. Thank you. The team really pulled together on that project.
This brown sugar is locally sourced and very sweet.
And the cane juice, is that fresh today?
Yes, pressed just this morning.
As you can see, by sourcing our sugar sustainably, we can enjoy these flavors while protecting the environment.
We need that sugar pallet moved to Bay 4 immediately.
Copy that. Moving it now.
According to the scanner, the sucrose content is up 20%.
That explains the accelerated growth rate we've observed here.
We need to consider both fair wages and sustainable practices. Yes, you at the floor, Mike.
How does this impact the smaller independent growers?
This coffee is perfect today.
Claro, enjoy it. Did you try the pan dulce yet?
Abuela, pass the milk, please.
The flow rate is increasing.
Yes, I'm logging the change now.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's running high.
I see it. Adjusting the flow now.